Hello, friends, folks, and viewers. This is Jazz here, Jazz OCR Athlete, and of course here at Urban Athlete Fitness. Today I want to talk to you about a hot topic of cellular energy, right? We want to figure out what that means and what it means for our health, right? So we all have cells. We have lots of them, right? And the cells just kind of go through a cycle, right? They live, they die, and they also take care of all our responses, right? They're in charge of like the sodium potassium pump and something called ATP, which is energy, right? So we need cells for energy specifically, right? And we also need cells to be healthy so we can fight off diseases and pathogens and invaders and things like that. But if our cells are kind of disrupted or mutated in a way, right, if they're not dying properly, then it causes problems in the body. And then when we finally do get some real illness or disease, right, the cells are not strong enough to fight it off, right, because it's already damaged from fighting off all the food, the environmental stress, the chemical stress, the emotional stress, right, and things like that. So the cells don't know the difference sometimes. They just get all messed up in your system, and it kind of creates like a very bad environment for your ecosystem to kind of thrive, right? And this is all parts of your body, right? And of course, bad food also are endocrine disruptors, right? Which is kind of messes with your organs, right? So how do we get our cellular energy back up? Well, for sure, one thing, you got to stop damaging them, right? You want to increase foods like dark leafy greens and things like creatine, right? Believe it or not, creatine helps with our cells function properly, helps give us ATP, which is energy that gets transported through the cells. So we need creatine, whether you're working out or not. Creatine is very important. Our body produces it already, but we just need more of it, right? And so we just have to maintain our good cellular energy. They work as kind of like our battery for our body, the cells. And so if our batteries die in a car, right, or the batteries are low or a little dysfunctional, right, the car does not run properly, and it's the same thing for our cells. Let's try to keep that cellular energy optimal. Let's try to do things you can, strategic things you can, to try to get them back to your optimal performance, and your body will thank you for it. Thanks again for tuning in. Charles, I'm out of here. Peace.